Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to use the SC1 Lishi. And I'm going to be picking a cutaway lock with standard pins in it. And then after we get the close-up of that done, then I'll throw some spools in it and we'll do it again. So I'm going to get this thrown in a vise here and we'll see how it goes. And hopefully everybody can see, and we'll give this a shot here. So we got the Lishi in there, and we're going to go to number 1, and we see it's springy. Go to 2, and I think 2 actually set. 3 is springy. 4 is binding. Nice click on 4. Go to number 5. 5 is springy, back to 1. And 1 has set. Okay, 2 looks like it's set. 3 is binding. Click on 3. 4 set. And go to 5. Click on 5, and we are open. So there's picking it with standard pins. And stay tuned for the next video, and we'll do this again with spools.